Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use a school bag. First, adjust your shoulder straps so the bag sits high on your back, with the bottom resting no more than 4 inches below your waist. Always use both straps to distribute the weight evenly across your shoulders. This helps prevent unnecessary strain and promotes better posture throughout your day, making your bag feel much lighter and more comfortable. When packing, place your heaviest items closest to your back to maintain balance and reduce strain. Distribute the weight evenly across all compartments. A good rule of thumb is that your packed bag should not exceed 10 to 15% of your body weight. Overpacking can lead to discomfort and potential back issues, so pack smart and only carry what you truly need for the day. To lift your school bag safely, always bend your knees and lift with your legs, not your back, to avoid injury. Once lifted, put on both shoulder straps. Never carry your bag on just one shoulder or swing it around, as this can cause uneven pressure and muscle strain. Proper lifting and carrying techniques are crucial for your long-term comfort and spinal health. Maintaining your school bag is simple but important. Regularly clean it according to the material's instructions to keep it fresh. Utilize internal pockets and dividers to keep your items organized and easily accessible. Periodically check for any wear and tear, especially on the straps and zippers, and address small repairs promptly. A well-maintained bag lasts longer and serves you better every day.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.